Live in HD from WVUE TV New Orleans. This is Fox 8 News at 6. You're watching Fox 8 News.
8:42, welcome back. As oil continues to swamp the Gulf Coast, BP is preparing to defend itself against even more lawsuits. And attorney Mike Stag is here with more. And Mike, thanks for coming in this morning. Your firm has filed some paperwork to try and keep the hearings in New Orleans. Why do you think that's appropriate?
Well, we believe that New Orleans is the best place to have this case heard because most of our coastline is being impacted. The lives that were lost were mostly Louisiana citizens. We have the greatest impact from a damage perspective. In addition to that, I'd like to point out that we have some of the best lawyers in the country as far as oil and gas and environmental claims because we do so much of that work in this state. So I think Louisiana is the best place to have this case heard. Your firm has also filed to try to have a special master appointed to start administering the claims process at this point. Some people might say it's too early for that. Why do you think it's justified? Well, we've heard there's a lot of problems with the claims process. You may have heard that the White House is now calling for a third party to administer those claims and that a special fund be set up. Several weeks ago, we filed a motion before Judge Barbier asking that he take over the claims handling process, or at least administer some of that for the Louisiana fishermen, because we were having complaints from the fishermen, and we needed some third party to work out any problems related to that process. We had just heard that the U.S. Attorney General's office has also filed a motion to try and keep the litigation in New Orleans. Do you think that will be enough to sway the selection panel to do that? We hope it will. It's hard to say. These judges who are meeting at the end of July in Idaho, they can send the case wherever they choose to send it. But I think there's a lot of factors that warrant the case being sent back to New Orleans or at least to Louisiana to be heard. Your firm's still hearing from a lot of fishermen involved in the Vessels of Opportunity program. What sorts of problems are they still experiencing? Well, absolutely. We're hearing things like boats are sitting idle when they should be out. We've heard they haven't been used the right way. I've also heard complaints about not being paid properly for those individuals who are in the program. So we're hoping that some of those get resolved. In fact, I was on the phone trying to get one of my fishermen paid who was participating in that program down in Florida. I was able to do that, but it took some phone calls, and it took really pressing the issue and getting to the right people to get paid. And it's unfortunate that that's the case. Attorney Mike Stag, we'll be staying in touch. Thanks for keeping us abreast of the issues. Appreciate it, sir. All right, thank you.